What's up mga basketball? Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana po ay lahat po tayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Alright? So, my name is Owen Toriano, also known as Basketbollerong Bano at your service. Alright? So, today po, we're going to have a review and later on po, we're going to do some unboxing. Alright? So, ito po yung in-unbox ko before. Right? It's been a while. Ito po yung New Balance Fresh Foam BB. So, if you're wondering what's the meaning of BB, napakasimple po, basketball. Alright? So, it's BB. Basketball. Alright? So, pinaglaro ko na po to. Kaya, sabi ko nga, I'm going to have a review. A honest to goodness review. Okay? Wala pa akong masasabi. This is really an excellent basketball shoe for me. So, yung response po ng kanyang outer sole ay napaka-ganda po. Then, yung support po sa yung heel, sa aking heel, napakaganda rin po. Then, yung comfort po ng aking paa inside the shoe, napaka-comfortable po ng aking paa. So I can play whole day with this shoe. Depending na po yun. Depende na po yun sa aking stamina. But, this shoe itself, wala po akong masasabi. Napakaganda po ng kanyang traction, ng kanyang support, and comfortably po yung paa ko. Okay? So, yun po ang review ko dito sa New Balance Fresh Foam BB version 1. Okay? So if you have any question po, okay, make a comment. Kung mayroon po kayong objection, maybe your own experience using this basketball shoe, you can do so. Alright? Pero sa akin po, wala po akong masasabing negative. Okay? Honest to goodness po yan. Hindi po ako binabayaran ng Nike or ng New Balance at the same time Jordan. So, hindi po ako magiging bias o hindi po ako magkisinungaling to all of you guys. So, I will never tell you lies regarding reviewing shoes. Right? So, binili ko po to with my own money. Pinagpaguran ko pong pera. Alright? Okay. So, para sa akin po, napakaganda po to. Kaya po, I decided to buy the version 2. Here we go mga basketball. Ito na po yun. Fresh Foam BB version 2. Alright? Okay. So, ilabas na po natin sa box. Ito na po yan. Of course, may receipt. I'll put it in the side of the box. Alright? Wala pong mapagkasya. Papel lang po, hindi na magkasya. Alright? Okay. Kunin natin po muna yung isa. Ito po ang nagustuhan kong colorway. Sabi ko nga, kanya-kanya tayong trip. So, if you don't want the colorway, I think there will be several colorways that you can choose on, right? Ito po yun. Okay? Sa akin po, ito pong gray. Okay? Kasi po, napakasimple lang. Para sa akin, I really do love the colorway. Hindi ko po ito nagamit pa. Alright? So, as you will notice, mayroon pa nga pong papel dito. And mayroon po siyang extra shoelace. Maroon. Right? Kasi po, combination po siya ng gray and maroon. Okay? So, ito po ang extra shoelace niya. So, I think, yung traction niya, kasi di pa, yung pinakita ko sa inyo a while ago, yung press foam version 1, yung parang parehas din po yung pattern ng kanyang traction. At napakaganda po. Right? Lateral movements, sudden stop. Right? Oh my God. It's very good. So that's why I decided to have the version 2. Okay? Ito po ang version 2. Okay? So I will also give you a honest to goodness review. Sana po mas gumanda o kaya naman kahit parehas lang ang performance niya. Kasi po talagang napaganda po ng version 1. So, I'm expecting po na mas higitan nito o kaya naman at least mapantayan. Okay? You don't want to be disappointed. Alright. Silabas natin yung isa para po sigurado kung may both my foot ay mayroon pong sapatos. Alright? Alright. So, may pangkanan ako, may pangkaliwa. So, happy feet. Right? So, I think the traction, I think in the support also, makikita mo, parehas din. Sabi ko nga, in my previous video about fresh foam, ay napaganda pong technology na ilinagay po ng New Balance sa running shoes nila. Yan pang ginagamit ko in the gym. And at the same time, I am also wearing a fresh foam at work. Kasi po, para po akong nasa cloud when I'm walking. So, pag sa basketball rin po, consistent. Alright? Parehas na parehas. The same. Okay? Have a closer look, mga basketball. Okay? Ito po ang New Balance Fresh Foam BB or basketball shoe. Alright? Again, thank you very much to my subscribers, the 198 subscribers. Thank you very, very much, mga kabasketball. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. And see you whenever.